What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and just stumbled across my channel, welcome. My name is Ashley. I post new content every single Wednesday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss out. And in August, I'm uploading every other day, so you don't want to miss out, I promise. I would love if you guys could subscribe down below and choose to support me. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on that bell so you're notified for every single time I upload. Today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys all of the clothes that you need to bring to college. My freshman year of college, I packed basically my entire wardrobe and it didn't fit, and I didn't wear mainly half of the things I brought. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the essentials that you need to bring to college and basically what you need to have in your wardrobe so you can forget about the things that you're going to overpack, and this is the stuff that you're actually going to need. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below where you are going to college in the fall, or if you're not going to college, comment down below what grade you're going into. If you guys are in college, what are some of your college wardrobe essentials, and let's just chat. But yeah, again, I'm going to be a senior in college in the fall, so I feel like I've gotten the gist of what I need to bring to college and the clothes that I'm going to be wearing on a daily basis. First, I want to start with athleisure. Athleisure is a very big trend right now. I always catch myself wearing athleisure wear going to class if I don't want to dress up, but I still want to look put together. So I'll do a light makeup look, hair in a low pony or something, throw on some athleisure, and I'm set to go. So I'm going to show you guys the essentials you need for that. I have two different pairs of workout leggings here, so you can always use a pair of plain black leggings. These are from Fabletics. This is not sponsored. These are just a plain black pair, and they're high-waisted. I 100% recommend high-waisted leggings. They flatter your body so much. And I also have a fun print of Lululemon Wonder Unders here. These are a marble print, and I will wear this with maybe a dusty pink shirt. I have two different pairs of running shorts here. These are just Adidas, plain black and white. And then I have this pop of color Adidas shorts. Super cute. You can wear this to class with a sports bra and a shirt over top. I have two different types of sports bras here. This is the energy bra from Lululemon. I actually just got this. This is just in the white color, and this is what the back looks like. And then I have this workout bra from Fabletics. And what I like to wear over these is a workout jacket that I have from Athleta, and I will show you guys. It's just a white zip up, but it's that athleisure. It's from Athleta, so it's that tight fitting athleisure look. These jackets look so good with a pair of leggings and a sports bra underneath and a t-shirt. If you are looking to dress up for a little bit for class but not look like a bum in a sweatshirt and sweatpants, that's what you need to wear. But there is nothing wrong with the sweatshirt and sweatpants, because that, my friend, is a college wardrobe essential. Either if it's on the weekends, if you're running late to class, just throw it on. I have two different pairs of sweatpants here. This first pair, I need to get new ones, are pilling so bad, but these are from Brandy Melville. They're just a light gray color. Love these. I wore these so much. And then I have a thinner pair of leggings that of sweatpants that I think I got from TJ Maxx, actually. And then I have two different types of sweatshirts. It kind of depends on the vibe you're going for. I just have this huge Patagonia snap hoodie. But then I also have a wrapper graphic hoodie if you're kind of going for the more baddie vibe. Not baddie vibe, but like more put together vibe instead of wearing a Patagonia. So this is just a piece of Travis Scott merch. This is Cactus Jack, and then on the back it says Jack Boys. You've seen this before. You can even wear, if you have a hoodie that's very oversized, just wear that. It's kind of like a t-shirt dress vibe. To make myself feel more put together, I love wearing jeans to class and like a simple top like this. It makes me feel so good. This first pair I actually just purchased. They're from Abercrombie. They're just a light wash high-rise mom jean. These are kind of a Bermuda short capri vibe. They're just acid wash black. These look so dope. I have to plan out a look for those. I just got a high-waisted off-white cream color pair of jeans. Next, I want to talk shoes. I packed basically every single pair of my sneakers and boots and booties and slip-ons freshman year. I wore the same pair of shoes every single day. They were my Nikes. So the sneakers, I recommend a pair of Nikes, Adidas if you're going for like an athleisure look, or you just want to wear sneakers with a hoodie and sweatpants to class, that's fine. Definitely recommend a pair of running or walking shoes. And these are the slip-ons I'm talking about. I have a pair from Steve Madden. You girls probably have a pair of these in your closet. Definitely recommend packing these for college. They're super comfortable. Go with everything. They're black. As for booties for going out, I have a ton of different booties for going out. I have a red pair, a blue pair, a black pair, and a cheetah print pair. These are my blue ones. They're from a brand called Naked, but I got them off Poshmark for $20. As you can see, they're stained, but they're my going out shoes. And these are the pair of boots I have. I had more downstairs, but these I had up here. These are from UGG. I think I got these in 8th grade and they still fit me, so there we go. They're super cute, keep my feet super warm. So I recommend bringing a lot of neutrals. I have a black turtleneck here. Wore this all the time. The trend right now is wearing a turtleneck like this with a huge band tee or wrapper tee. So cute. I did that a lot. So I have 2 turtlenecks here, and it has a, I don't know if you could see, yeah, a cutout right here. I have this short sleeve top, super cute. This is from Aritzia. And then I have 2 little tank tops that you can wear with a sweater cardigan over it. These are both from Brandy Melville. You can find these at PacSun. You can find similar ones literally at Target, Walmart, Forever 21. I have this white one and this navy blue one with ruffles underneath. You could pair these with so many different things. And now I have a pile of more casual shirts. So I would literally wear these with jeans and a cardigan over it. This one's from Forever 21 and I like because it has a simple detail right there, and I had matching Huaraches that went with this shirt, so loved that. I have this marble-esque shirt from Brandy, super cute pair of jeans, going out shirts I guess. Yeah, I want to wear this class. This is from Urban Outfitters. I love the thin strap on this. High-waisted black jeans. I have 2 bodysuits here. This one was actually from a while ago. I got this from American Apparel when they were closing. This was a swimsuit. It was literally $3. But I wear it as a bodysuit because it literally looks like a bodysuit. It has rings on the side. So flattering. And it's padded, so you don't have to wear a bra, ladies. Then I highly recommend, if you're going out to a frat party, fraternity party, bars, clubs, whatever you want to do, skirts are the wave. If you're wearing jeans, your whole legs are going to be sweaty. Skirts are so airy. You could dress them up however you want. I have this cow print skirt that I wear to day parties. That's from Princess Polly. And I have this acid wash skirt from Urban Outfitters that I actually got in London for $10. This is the cardigan I would wear with those simple shirts. This is actually from Urban Outfitters. I got this forever ago. It's super lightweight, but I love it. This bomber jacket that I actually got from Brandy Melville. It's a hunter green color. I absolutely am obsessed with it. I have this vest from J. Crew that I literally got, I don't even want to know how long ago, but I still wear it to this day. I actually got this jacket for Christmas. It's the Aritzia Super Puff jacket. I definitely recommend if you are going to school in cold weather, bring a down jacket. I have 2 more jackets here. This is just a cute little jean jacket from Zara that I got at the Zara sale, I think 2 seasons ago. And I just got this jacket, which you guys saw in my last vlog. I don't know what vlog it was. I'll put the iCard right here, but this was $10. So the next category that I recommend is oversized comfort colors surf t-shirts, basically. I have a few examples here. These 2 are actually from Comfort Colors. You can get these at literally any souvenir store. I got this one in Orlando at Disney Springs from Ron John. It's just this baby yellow color, and on the back this is Ron John Surf Shop. You guys are 100% going to want to wear these on a Sunday morning. Going to class with a pair of shorts, I promise you. This one is from Cape May, New Jersey, so it just says Cape May right here. It's Comfort Colors. It's a baby blue color. And on the back it says Cape May. Then I have a more stylish oversized t-shirt. This one's actually from Brandy Melville. I got it at PacSun. It has this race car, and then on the back it says Motor Show. Last category I have for my college wardrobe essentials is business casual clothes, because a lot of professors want you to dress up business casual for presentations, project presentations. That's how I've had to dress up, and you're gonna have career days. I definitely recommend at least packing one business casual outfit. So I just have this white button up from H&M. You can literally get from H&M, Target. I got this whole outfit from H&M. I just have this white button up. This blazer that I've had forever. It fits so well. And then I have this skirt from H&M. Guys, so that is everything you need to pack in your college wardrobe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what your guys' college wardrobe essential is. And make sure to subscribe for future uploads. I will see you all on Wednesday? No. Yeah, Wednesday. It's Sunday. What? Okay, so I will see you all on Wednesday with a new video. I love you all so much. Goodbye.